now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. It's been a minute, but we back. And we back for a reason. Got ones, Nike, obviously. Always trying to get you robbed, but we won't talk about it. Travis Scott's, man. For the most part, pretty much everybody knows. Everybody has seen all the media around this shoe. The hype is crazy. Monitoring the resale prices, obviously they started at, people were buying them for $2,000. People were buying them for $1,700. Then this release came along, and the first initial like shock drop from Nike and shock drop from just Travis Scott's website, the resale prices went from about $1,600 down to about $1,100. And then right before the Nike dropped them globally, they went from about $1,100 to $800 to $1,000. And I think it's staying in that range. The size 12 that I've been looking at was going from $1,000 to $800. Now it's right back to $1,000. So just like on all the Travis Scott pairs, you get the little Cactus Jack and the weird looking face. I have no idea what the face means, but I won't go too in depth on the pairs. I mainly was making this video to kind of tell you guys that the fakes of these they're perfect, and there's really no way of actually knowing. Some of the fakes I've seen, obviously there's gonna be really bad fakes. If you try to buy a fake pair for $100, they're probably gonna be really bad. But the fake pairs I've seen are going for like $500, and they don't really have any flaws to it. So I just want you guys to be careful. Obviously StockX is not even being able to catch the fake pairs. There's a guy on this Facebook group that has said he sold 4 pairs and they've all passed verification, all fake on StockX. And it's just crazy. It's crazy that companies are taking it this serious to try to perfect the fakes on these. Obviously this is one of the biggest releases of the year, so I don't know, it's got a lot of detail though. That's the crazy part. So the fact that the fakes are good, I don't know, it's it's an evil world we live in. But on most of the retail pairs, and you'll see, I think I always look at the lace packages, well, the laces for some reason, because the laces on the real pair always seem to be packed way tighter than the fake pairs. The fake pairs, the bag is like an inch, maybe too big for the laces, and the laces kind of flop around in there. But the Nike pairs the laces are always sharp and just neater to me. But, and then obviously this Cactus Jack is pretty hard to get right if you're a fake company. It'll be too bold, too evident, and like you'll just, this is supposed to be, it's kind of like hidden, kind of on that off-white color. They will look kind of fire with the red or the pink. The pink would look nice.
I like them.
It's a weird color. Who wears black and brown?
No, but if you're wearing like a black outfit, you can throw them on.
Well, yeah, but you can wear a black outfit and throw on anything. Nigels all day. I take the Nigels all day. Look. Travis have this weird like compartment. Yeah, it's really weird. It opens all the way up.
For what?
All the way around. I don't know. It's a secret pocket to hide contraband and crystals. But yeah, beware of the fakes on these, man. If they get you, I don't know, it's one of them things. And StockX is doing this weird thing. People are like, hey, you guys send me fakes, and the StockX will be like, no, it passed verification, these are real, and they don't do anything about it. So you just paid $1,100 for fakes. For some people, it's like, okay, the fake is perfect, it doesn't really matter. And then other people, just the principle of the thing, they don't like that. They don't like knowing they're wearing a fake. I don't know. But yes, as for Nike receipts, all that, if you can, Travis Scott's, man, decent shoe.